Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today we will be tackling how to install the Microsoft Print to PDF printer on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Perfect if you accidentally uninstalled it and need to save files as a PDF again. It's a built-in feature that's super useful, and getting it back is a pretty straightforward process. Let's dive right in and get it sorted. First, open the search menu, look down at your taskbar, and you will see that little magnifying glass icon, usually right next to the Start button. Click it and type Windows Features into the search bar. When Turn Windows Features On or Off shows up at the top, go ahead and click to open it. A small window will pop up with a list of optional features your system can toggle. Scroll down carefully until you spot Microsoft Print to PDF. It's usually near the middle. If the box next to it is unchecked, that's the culprit. If it's been turned off, check that box to enable it, then click OK at the bottom. Windows might take a second or two to download and install necessary files. It will let you know if it needs to grab anything online. Once finished, restart your computer to make sure it's fixed. Click the Start button, select Restart, and let your PC reboot. After it's back up, head to any app like Word or Notepad, hit Print, and you'll see Microsoft Print to PDF. That's it, folks. With those easy steps, your PDF print feature is rolling again. Please click the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more handy tips. Thank you.